So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your mirrors fold in when you hit the lock button and unfold when you hit unlock. So we're going to go on PDM configuration and then hit enable. And then we're gonna go on the driver's side. So DDM module configuration. Enable. Right. So we're gonna hit unlock. If you just want the linking auto fold, you go on module configuration, linking auto fold, enable, and then you gotta enable the auto fold as well. Hit right. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the driver's side, the DDM module configuration. So enable, and then hit right. I already did this one. Here's the difference between this one and the other one. With this one, you lock it, they fold. But once you hit unlock, they don't unfold. You gotta open the door, and then they unfold. That's the difference between this one and the other one I showed you guys in the other video.